It doesn't get any more gorgeous than this Art Deco beauty. This warrior princess is every gamer's fantasy. This sexy photographer brings the beauty and the talent. This vintage gal has always got her man's back. Yo-ho. This pretty lady's here to ice your cupcake anytime. Spring cleaning equals nailing it. This lavender lady is the picture of classically gorgeous. This gorgeous gypsy chick sees herself in your future. The pirate boys are lining up to be plundered by this pirate princess. This vintage French chick is totally milking it. What's sexier than a tattoo? This chick is rockin' that one piece is like it's 1949. This adorable sailor girl nails the girl next door or next ship look. This lady detective is happy to look into anything you need. It doesn't get classier than Betty Page, original queen of the Pinup girls.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.